Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I hope you enjoy this video, and I also hope that you subscribe to my channel. So today's video is some acrylic swatching of not polished acrylics, and these acrylics are 2-in-1, so they can be used as a dip or acrylic. I'm going to be swatching them as an acrylic using Young Nails monomer. This is the box that they sent me, and when I tell you I was so excited to receive this because I've seen their Instagram, I've seen their YouTube, and then I see a lot of compliments about how great this acrylic is. So I was really excited when the company reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to try their products. So was totally excited, and I'm still excited. So I'm going to just quickly show you what I received so you can get an idea of what kind of products that they have on their website. And I will leave the link to their website down below. Also, I'll leave my discount code down below as well that you can use if you choose to. So they do have hand files on their website, and the ones that they sent me are 100 grits. So these are pretty sturdy files. I feel like I could run over them in the car with my car and they'll still be intact. So those are pretty sturdy files, 100 grit. I got a matte coat and a shiny top coat, and I also got these nail tips. So it's 500 tips. They are long coffin tips. I have played with the tips a little bit, and I did post this on my Instagram about the tips. Essentially, one of my problems is shaping and my liquid to powder ratio. So those are two things that I really practice. So I did play with their a couple of the acrylics as dips, but I was able to get my shaping down. I think I did a pretty good job with the shaping. Usually I use full coverage tips to help with the shaping, but definitely did like these I guess half coverage tips. So I will definitely give a more in-depth video if you guys want it on the tips. Just let me know in the comments down below. So the first color that I am swatching is Milky White, and that is number 101. And my experience with swatching of the acrylics I received was it mirrored what everyone else was saying about how easy these acrylics are to apply, how creamy they are. One thing that I wanted to add is they did not get stuck in my brush. So that's important because, like, obviously you're going to have a little bit of acrylic in your brush if you're doing like a full set from time to time, but I didn't have to like vigorously wipe my brush off to get the acrylic out of, and that's like universal for all of the colors that I swatched today. I didn't have any marbling, which is really important, especially when you see the colors that I'm swatching in a few minutes. So this second color is Sexy Hand, and that is number 149, and that is a pink sheer with like kind of like fine iridescent glitter. So the first two are white and a pink. The next four colors that I'm going to be swatching are nudes. And I don't know if my brown skin subscribers have trouble finding like a really good nude that's going to complement our skin tone, or I don't know if you guys are, if anyone for that matter is having trouble finding nudes that complement your skin tone. For me, when I was swatching these nudes, I felt like they all in a certain way complemented my skin tone. I can't say they're universal because I only swatched them and put them against my skin tone, but I don't know, I'm excited. So the first color, the first nude is Warm Glow, and that is number 155. So it is a nude, and it has like gold iridescent glitter. So if you want like a nude that's gonna have a little bit of sparkle, it's not overwhelming. So if you want a nude that has a little bit of sparkle, then this is a good color. And then I will show it against my skin tone, and I'll show again all four of them against my skin at the end of the video as well. But, and I've said this on my channel before, like, dude, like, who has the perfect nude? Like, I need a perfect nude. So I was pretty excited to receive that. So I am glad that they sent me 4 nudes to kind of play with. the different undertones. So that one is Warm Glow, and I did get a bubble in it that I was trying to fix off camera, but yeah, that's Warm Glow, and it has that gold fine glitter in it. And the second nude is, well, this nude is called First Nude, and that number is 143. So this color is just nude tan color. It didn't have like any noticeable pink undertones or anything like that. So this one is just a straightforward nude. And they all the acrylics apply really well. One thing, like I said in the beginning of the video, I have to work on my liquid to powder ratio, especially when you're trying new products. So that's kind of good. The good thing about swatching is you can kind of get a feel for how the products are gonna work. So I just have to figure out, okay, how much liquid do I need in my brush for this specific system. And again, the acrylic powder, the monomer that I'm using in this video is Young Nails monomer. So if you see me kind of like struggling or to get my beads smooth or whatever, that is not the acrylic. That is me not being consistent in picking up my beads. So again, this one is First Nude. And did I show this against my skin tone? I'll show you at the end of the video. I show them all four together. Okay, so this color is Second Nude, and that is number 139. So this nude has like a pink tinge to it, or a pink undertone, and then it has a slight shimmer as well. Okay, see how pretty that looks? So that is Second Nude, and that has like the pink tinge to it with a slight shimmer. So the next nude, and this is the last one I have, is called Nude Panther, and that is number 102. So this nude is more on the pinky side, but it still complements, I feel like it still complements my skin tone as well. So I do like the variety of their nudes and the fact that it complements my skin tone. Because you have the first one with the gold shimmer, then you have the tan nude, then you have the other nude with the pink tinge to it and the slight shimmer, and then you just have the pink nude. So if you want the more pinky nude or a nude with the shimmer. So that's all my nude talk. So I'm going to go ahead and talk about these colors. So this one is called Blonded Moment, and that is number 126. So this is a pastel color, right? Pastel, pastel, whatever. But it has like a brightness to it. I don't know if that makes sense, but when I was swatching it, I'm like, oh, this is like a vibrant pastel. And I was like, how am I supposed to explain this? You guys already know I am trash at explaining colors and warmths and cool tones and all that stuff. I'm just like, it's yellow. It's light yellow or it's dark yellow. But so I don't know how to really describe it, but it's like a bright pastel nude, if that makes any sense. But yeah, so that was Blonded Moment, number 126. And the next color is My Allure, and that is number 177. So this is like a glittery yellow. Excuse me. So this is like a glittery yellow acrylic. And again, I did shake all my powders before I started swatching. This one is kind of like a bright yellow, almost a neon yellow with fine glitter, and some of the glitters are iridescent. So this is super, super pretty and super summery. It is a glitter acrylic. Again, this did not get stuck to my brush, did not clog my brush. it applied fine. So another different type of acrylic, because you guys know like all the acrylics, they have like different textures. Like not every single acrylic from the same line has the same texture. So this definitely applied for glitter, and there's a lot of glitter. It applied like the other ones, creamy, smooth. So I was happy about that as well. The next color I am going to swatch is a neon orange, and that is called Jet Life, and that is number 140. That is not the color that I have on my nails. That is a whole nother video that I think I'm gonna post after this video. So I will come back to this video and link that in the pinned comments for you guys if you are interested on what's on my nails. But yeah, so this is like their neon orange, and usually neons are like chalky, but this one was super smooth, still super creamy. Again, I still have to make sure like I'm picking up consistent beads so that I can manipulate my acrylic a little bit better. But again, that's on me. That's not on the acrylic. That's on me still learning. So I really love how vibrant and pigmented this is. And also with these colors, like these are the ones that like you dip your brush in the monomer, you're like, oh dang, I had hella acrylic left in this brush. But I was able to clean out my brush before re-dipping it. So I really like that. Again, this is just a really pretty neon orange. Okay, this color is called Slightly Brightly, number 154. And on camera, it looks more peachy. But in real life, it looks more burnt orange-ish. Like not rust, but almost rust. So this looks more peachy on camera than it actually is. And it does have a kind of like a gold shimmer to it. Okay, this color is called Pink of You, number 142, and this is a neon pink. And again, same with the other neon, I was able to apply this. It was pretty creamy, not getting all stuck to my brush. And again, there was no marbling. I had zero marbling with all of these. And neons are really hard. Either it gets like your brush gets all like junked up, or they marble, or they're dry. But yeah, this is a really good quality acrylic. So the next color is another pink, and it is called In My Feelings. In My Feeling. So it is a more of like a fuchsia pink, the next one that I'm going to show you. So talking about it now is because I'm swatching them separately. It might look like it's the same color, but no, that's more of a fuchsia pink. So there it is there, number 138, In My Feeling. Okay, here's the two side by side so that you can see that the two differences between the color. So the last one I'm going to swatch is number 145, and that is called Sweet Tooth, and it is a really pretty mint, and it does have a shimmer to it. So my initial thoughts are this is a high quality acrylic system. You can use them as dip, and I did play with them off camera as dip. That's the picture that's on my Instagram when I'm talking about the shaping and the nail tips. So I did kind of just show you briefly what they have on their website. They have a bunch of colors. Definitely go to their website, check it out. If you do purchase, I do have a discount code, and that is Birdie. It will be down below, as well as the link to their website. So definitely use that if you'd like to. So I know I've given you guys a few swatch videos in a row. So definitely leave me in the comments below if you've been watching all my videos. Let me know what you want to see. I probably will be doing a couple videos kind of geared to the products that I've just swatched. So when it comes to that, like, let me know which colors are your favorite. Let me know which colors you want to see. Do you want to see me use these as dip? Do you want to see me do a full set on my flexi hand? If I do my nails right now, I'm just keeping them pretty short. I haven't been going anywhere. We've all been in the house. So, and we're washing our hands like a billion times a day. So I probably won't do a full set on myself, because when I do a full set on myself, I do like a bit of a longer nail. But for right now, I'm just doing like short nails, unless I don't know. Oh, here's all of the nudes against my skin tone. So you can see, like, if you're has similar skin tone to me, you can see that all of these colors look really pretty. So again, let me know what you want to see. I probably will be doing the set on my flexi hand. So do you want dip? Do you want acrylic? What do you want to see? Let me know in the comments down below. And yeah, you probably will get a marble nail. You guys know I do love marble nails. And these are all the colors lined up. Look how vibrant and pretty they are. That one right next to the neon orange, you can see in this picture that it is more rust than peach, because earlier it was showing up as peach. Anyways, guys, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again soon.